their wind official debut, Cat's Eye.
And that is still in play. Fajardo going to KKD. She's continuing that
Yes,
momentum from
and I
late
think
set 2.
it's just the confidence that,
Wala kasi ako sa'yo eh.
ganon yung trust. Big word. Ayan.
The slide, the block for Savvy.
I think that's her fourth.
I'm sorry, I looked at our stats here. I double check, triple check. 7 blocks.
7 blocks for Savvy Davison only.
3-0 PLDT lead here.
Ooh.
Iris sends it to Arado. Palomata getting checked. Dug by Belen. Back row Cruz.
Yes.
Savvy
Wow.
tricking the 2 blockers. Davison again. Belen challenging her with the floor coverage.
Wow.
And Bitsenko scores.
Sa
Savvy from the left pin. And Capital One challenging them now
Yes.
with those blocks. Tied at 4.
Fine. Napagod na sila lagi napablock.
KKD,
Wow.
soft touch. Doromol diving. Calf, a set for Savvy. Making it look so simple.
Yes.
Tied at 4.
Napagod na sila lagi napablock.
KKD,
Wow.
soft touch. Doromol diving. Calf, a set for Savvy. Making it look so simple.
Yes. And wow.
Chance here for Capital One. Iris trying to locate her middle. From the pipe, Bavikina. Savvy this
Oh.
time. Just too much power there. Let's hear from Kyla. What's going on? Right now, their team up by 3 here in set number 3. Bitsenko from the back row. Savvy playing defense. Chance ball. Tolenada. Back to the back row. Savvy again. Bella to put an end. Savvy getting it across. Back to Belen. Arado digging. Rally we have here. Cruz is rejected. 16 points now for Savvy Davison. Off speed. Bavikina. Caldones had a hand. Back to Belen.
Yes.
With a put down.
Bella Belen doing everything.
Doesn't matter, down by
Grabe
3,
yung
up by
energy
3.
niya eh. Sana may ganon na energy lahat. Oh.
Energy. That's
yes.
Savvy Davison.
It's just outside there for Capital One defense. Yes.
Belen
there.
manages to score.
Showing some aggressiveness there.
Tolenada, high set for Bitsenko. That's 2 straight points for Capital One. This is the fight we were talking about.
And Nastia in front.
Hard serve for Bella.
Oof.
Bavikina straight to Belen's hands.
Yes.
Cross, Doug. Bavikina again. Doromal this time was there.
Oh.
Palomata was just ready for it. She was just ready. What a serve for Del. Pinabawi si
One
Bitsenko.
more.
Pinabawi agad.
Yes.
Bitsenko starting to heat up here.
Yes.
For those who are wondering, Rika Rivera is now Rika Pancho. So
Yes.
congratulations as well. 6 here in set number 3. And now they're clinging on to this 1-point lead. Make that a 2-point lead for Capital One.
Capital One is alive here, just not fearing the PLDT block towers.
Simple.
Yes.
Extinguishing the fire here is so the lead is back to PLDT. Belen looking to change that. What up? Nastya, cross.
Again, yes.
That's money right there.
She
Nastya.
Wow.
Oh, it's a blocking party now for Capital One.
The coverage is there already, and you know they've been able to attack naman eh. Nakakapagsabayan sila sa attack points ni PLDT, and of course their block points is there. Naka 2 blocks na sila in this set for Capital One, but Savvy Davison says no, stop na.
Back row Belen will push
Oh.
it. Arado saving. Who will Iris go to? She goes to the pipe. Bella
Yes.
Belen. But right now it's a 1-point Capital One lead. Percentages, but Belen covering. Back to Davison,
Oh,
reloads. Layla, just not enough.
Look how vocal Belen is inside the court here for Capital One.
Solid receive for Bella. Bitsenko
Wow.
trying and buries it for PLDT at match point. Bitsenko, 2 blockers, no problem. Davison
Ooh.
for the win.